We're out of here. I've never driven on the right hand side of the road before.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna die.
We've got insurance. Alright team, we've got our flight compression socks on and we will see you in 14.5 hours.
I can see everything below. Over the city in an airplane, I can see everything below.
Well, good morning from our hotel here in Los Angeles. We're staying just across the road from the airport. We arrived last night. I slept for about 12 hours. Harvey decided to run around in the middle of the night and not sleep.
You had a little dance party at 2 a.m.
Yeah, a little 2 a.m. dance party. I slept through it, it's fine, don't worry. But the good news was he slept the whole trip on the plane, so except for the last 2 hours, so we were pretty chuffed with that. Today we are off to see Chelsea's Uncle Paul. We're going to cruise around. We're going to head up to Malibu apparently, have some lunch up there, check out some of the beaches around LA, and then later on today we're picking up our RV for the RV part of our venture, which is going to be the next 3 weeks, so come along. Right team, RV picked up. Chelsea had a bit of a mission putting the old car seat in. Might have to figure that out later on. We couldn't get the table in, but the table doesn't come out, so I don't know what we'll do. Stop at Walmart, get some tools. We're out of here. I've never driven on the right hand side of the road before.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna die.
We've got insurance. Got to start it first. Whoa. Unlike our Rosy, this thing's like a V8 or something, which seems unnecessary, but... Handbrake. Oh, handbrake wasn't even on. Alright, hold on. I suppose I should adjust the mirrors. Alright. Here we go. You alright, mate? Good?
It's nothing quite like learning to drive in LA.
LA traffic, 4-ton motorhome, 7.5 meters. Easy. Well team, this is our first Walmart experience. I think we picked a small Walmart though. We're in a Walmart neighborhood. It's still pretty huge, but I don't think it's as big as they come, so we'll have to find a bigger one. Check this out, they do all sorts of, like, if you really love McDonald's coffee, McCafe coffee, you can get McCafe coffee pods. Oh, that sounds terrible. So we're just stocking up, going to get a few supplies. Chelsea's buying all the fruit and vegetables she can find in the organic section, and then we're going to head up north a bit more through Santa Barbara to Pismo Beach for the night.
Well, we made it to Pismo Beach. It is dark outside currently, so we're going to have a wander around in the morning and check it all out. Thanks for watching. Today was a bit funny with filming. We had to figure out how to drive on the right hand side in LA in a 7.5 meter RV, so it was a bit tricky, but we made it. And tomorrow we are off to Big Sur, so make sure you check in and watch the next video as well. Like and subscribe. Thanks.